Okay, good morning, teacher.
Good morning ค่ะ Lisa สวัสดีค่ะ
Okay, how are you today?
I am very good.
Okay, that's nice to hear. Okay,
Yeah.
today I'm going to share one paper for us. I'll share the paper with you.
Okay.
Okay, this is our paper for today. Okay, so we
ครับ
start with number one. Okay, I'd like to know what is the goal for today?
Go today
Yes, what is
school
your
name school name ก่อนสามิตศึกษาสถาน
Okay, yes. So what is your
Yeah.
goal for today?
Today I prepare about the picture for the COVID-19
Oh, okay, okay. Yes.
to
Okay.
put on the board.
How about for your plan?
Huh? What
What is your plan for today?
plan for when the picture finished? I put on the board. Teacher put on the board to show the student when the school open.
Okay.
I look like the information.
Okay, I get that.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what are the things that make you proud, or what are you proud about?
I'm proud for provide the good English.
You're proud because speaking English. Okay.
Yeah.
Speaking English is
With
great.
teacher Lisa.
Okay. How about for your reading today? Did you read any books or magazine?
I'm read on the news to at the Google.
Okay. What about the news?
News about the the little girl lost in the อะไรนะ jungle
Oh,
น้องชมพู่
okay. Okay, good. Yes. Do you have some words for today? Any vocabulary for today?
picture
Teacher?
picture
Picture. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay,
picture
picture.
picture yeah.
How about your sentence?
I find the picture about the COVID-19 in the Google.
Okay. Okay, yes. Number two, what is your second word?
The second word is information.
Information. Okay. How about your sentence?
Uh, I put the picture on the board for information to the student for protect themselves.
Ah,
Thank you, Rissa.
I got that. Okay. I put the picture on the
The
board.
picture on the board.
Student
Student information on how to
take
care the
themselves. Okay, that's good. Yeah.
themselves.
Okay, what is your word number three?
Number three isอะไรดีนะ happy.
Okay, your word happy. Okay, yes, teacher. What is your sentence?
I like to speak English. When I speak English, I so very happy.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Oh, your sentence is very long. Okay, very good. Okay, that's nice. Now, I'm going to share with you my words. I have 5 words about coronavirus. Okay,
Mhm.
number 1. Okay, we can read together. Virus.
Virus.
Okay, I will read the sentence first. Many countries were badly affected by this
I
coronavirus. Okay, can you try reading my sentence?
yeah, I cannot see about your vocabulary.
Oh, you
You
cannot.
move.
Uh,
Yeah, you move from
here.
you move for me. But now I see the past one,
You
but
can
past
see
two I
number 1.
no. Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, number
Many,
1. Yes, many
virus.
countries.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
were
Can you?
badly affected by this coronavirus.
Okay. Yes. Number 2. I have the long word. Okay. Here.
Yeah,
World Health Organization.
World Health Organization.
Okay. Good.
The World the
I will
World Health
return.
Organi
Okay.
the World
Health
Health Organization
Organization.
is working hard to discover vaccine to
Uh,
stop the, the spread of this virus.
okay. I will read one more time. The World
Okay,
Health Organization is working hard to discover vaccine to stop the spread of this virus. Okay,
okay,
we go to
yeah,
number 3. Okay, I will read first and you repeat.
yeah.
Discipline.
Yes. This, okay, sorry. So,
Okay, can you see that?
discipline,
Again, one more time. Discipline.
this, discipline,
Okay, I read the sentence. All people must have a discipline to follow the rules and regulations implemented by the government. One more time. All
okay,
people must have a discipline to follow the rules and regulations implemented by the government. Can you try?
okay. All people must have a discipline to follow the rules and regulation implement by the government.
Okay, we can say the word again. Implemented.
Implemented,
Yes, very good. Okay, number 4. I have here quarantine.
quarantine,
Okay, I will read the sentence. The travelers from other countries were put into quarantine for 14 days. I repeat, the travelers from other countries were put into quarantine for 14 days. Okay, you try.
okay. The travelers from the other countries were put into quarantine for 14 days.
Okay, that's good. I have here number 5, situation.
Situation,
Okay, I read the sentence. The schools will be open if the coronavirus situation improves. Schools will be open if the coronavirus situation improves. Can you try?
schools will be open if the coronavirus situation improves.
Okay, we read it already. Okay, number 1, virus.
Virus,
World Health Organization.
World Health Organization,
Discipline.
discipline,
Quarantine.
quarantine,
Situation.
situation.
Okay, so next week I will share 5 words again and you share
Okay,
your vocabulary next week. Okay, thank
okay.
you for this
Thank you,
time.
Lisa.
See you next
Bye
time.
bye. Bye bye. See you next time. Thank you,ค่ะ